Think Disney cruises are all kids and chaos? This spot proves the opposite. Hidden aboard the Disney Wish is Senses Spa, an adults-only escape with heated loungers and rainforest-style thermal rooms that feel nothing like a typical Disney experience. Most people skip it. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it's like, what it costs, and whether it's actually worth booking. And on the other side is the Senses Spa. This is the spa area with the rainforest. Rainforest does cost extra, but here you can get all kinds of treatments, massages, acupuncture, things like that. There's a rainforest room in the back that has some heated loungers. They've got a steam room, a sauna, an ice room, which is really nice. And then they have their own private outdoor area, which is really good. Okay, this is walking back to the rainforest. There's the women's changing room. And the men's changing room. No one's in here. So they have plenty of towels. And they do have a scale. That's scary after you've been on a cruise. Lockers with locks that actually work. I've been on some cruise ships that they have all of these and they never work. Of course, bathrooms. Back here are 2 showers with a rainforest and a wand and a place to put your stuff. The other one's just like it, and this is a handicap shower back here. More room and a mirror. Water fountains, which is a luxury. Many cruise ship spas do not have water fountains. And in each changing room, they have a gentle steam room. It's a just a small one, and it's going to steam up the lens, but you can see it. It'll hold maybe about 8 people. But I've never seen more than 1 or 2 in there, and plenty of towels for you. By the door, they have the relaxation area where you can come and wait before it's your time for your massage or treatment or whatever you're having. They've got cold water, sparkling water, and they have fruit, so you can have some stuff, and they have tea because they have hot water. So this is the men's changing room. I'm assuming the women's looks just like this. All right, so walking back further to the rainforest room, and the treatment rooms are back here too, where you get massages and things like that. Now this is a paid area. You do have to pay extra for this. It's not free. You can either purchase it by the day or for the whole cruise. If you're going to use it, it's best to do it for the whole time. This is the rainforest. Now, they give you this cute little green bracelet thingy to wear, and you tap it, and that lets you come in. So when you come in, they have plenty of towels. They do have bathrooms here. Heated stone loungers. And this is great. You can sit there and soak your feet in there. This is the traditional sauna. It's not too hot. I've been in hotter before, but it's nice, pretty roomy. Now this area is co-ed, so you do have to wear appropriate garments. exit. This is the hammam. This is a big steam room, sort of on steroids. This one's hotter than the one in the locker room. And then once you've done all of these hot rooms, this is what I love. The frigidarium. Come in here, it's freezing cold. Blocks of what looks like ice, but it's not. But it does have ice in here. I don't know that that's edible ice, but it does help keep things cold. It's great. Come here and cool off after you're in the steam room and sauna. Now, it's not just inside, they do have an outside area. Out here they have 2 hot tubs, and this is adults only, by the way. This is at the front of the ship on deck 5. Have these swinging beds. Now, there is no one in here today because we are at Castaway Cay today, and most everybody's off the ship. On normal days, it's busier, but never crowded, because you do have to pay extra for this. So, overall, the Senses Spa on the Disney Wish costs $239 per person for a 4-night cruise. And if you book a spa service, access for that day is included for free. For me, it was absolutely worth it. Having a quiet, adults-only place to relax away from the crowds and nonstop activity made the whole cruise feel more balanced and way more enjoyable. And if you're planning a Disney cruise, book it with us at Tradewinds Travel. We make the entire process easy and take a lot of the stress out of planning. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Disney cruise tips, and I'll see you in the next video.